very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Virucham TV. This is B. Hemlata of Class 12 presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. Today, October 15, we observe the World Students' Day 2020 to mark the birth anniversary of the late President of India, the eminent scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Tamil Nadu School Education Minister K. Sengottayan on Wednesday stated that blackboards in government school would soon be replaced by smart boards. The minister also added that schools in Tamil Nadu would not be reopened now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday hailed the Union's cabinet decision to approve a special package of Rs 520 crore for Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Indian women archers face daunting task to secure full quota at Olympics. Cabinet approves STARS project under NEP 2020 to enhance school education system. India becomes first country to get Blue Flag certification for 8 beaches in single attempt. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has earlier announced the resumption of the Delhi-Khatra Vande Bharat Express from October 15. This will come as a relief for pilgrims planning to visit Vaishnav Devi during Navaratri. After lockdown, Sabarimala temple will open for pujas for 5 days from October 16 during Malayalam month of Thulam. The centre asking to implement as soon as possible interest waiver on loans of up to Rs 2 crore in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The SRM Institute of Science and Technology will provide free education to 300 meritorious students. Residents of Maliamman Durgam, whose main source of income is through selling of Goa, will soon have a stable income as they were allotted works under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme for the first time in their hamlet. With the district experiencing heavy rainfall, the water level in the Idukki reservoir continued to be above the blue alert level. Kozhikode city is expected to undergo a change in its urban landscape with the completion of the expansion of the Kozhikode bypass project. The Madras High Court on Wednesday wanted to know from the state government whether there was even a remote possibility of reopening schools at least by the end of the year. Sports news. In Dream 11 IPL, Delhi Capitals own against Rajasthan Royals. In Dream 11 IPL, today's match will be between Royal Challengers Bangalore with Kings 11 Punjab. Corona updates. India records 71,75,881 new cases. Recovery rate stands at 87.05%. Weather report. IMD operationalizes advanced high-resolution air-quality early warning system for Delhi. 2 days holidays declared in Hyderabad due to the massive rain. Extremely heavy rainfall, landslide warning for the parts of India's west coast. With this, me B. Hemlata of Class 12 signing off with the notes of keep watching Virucham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.